So let's start last week update with respect to GST. So friends, always we will divide our GST update into three parts. So first we will discuss online portal update as usual. Second, we will discuss the other updates like the policy level update or key circular notification, press release, etc. issued under GST. And last, we will discuss about the key pronouncement. And we always select such a pronouncement wherein many of the taxpayer can get certain way forward for day-to-day working under the GST. So let's start as usual related to the online portal update. So friends, as far as online portal is concerned, three updates were there in the last week. First update related to refund. So friends, earlier, whenever you intend to track the refund status, first has to log in into the portal. But now we don't require to log in. Refund status can be tracked without logging into the portal. So only on the gst.gov portal, the tab under the services tab, the tab track track application status is available. Under that tab, new tab of refund option is given, wherein once you enter the ARN number or and the financial year, the refund status can be tracked. So now without into login into, anyone can track the refund status if he or she has a number, that is simply the ARN number. Now, second update is related to GSTR 2B. So if you see the GST portal, so homepage of the GST portal, one notification is running that called gives that the that inform the taxpayer that the GSTR 2B for April 2021 is going to be generated on 29th May. So generally we aware that the GSTR 2B is made available after filing of the GSTR 1 or IFF by the small taxpayer. But now for the April 2021, the GSTR 2B is going to be generated on 29th May. Now why it is? Because friends, due to the pandemic scenario, the due date of the GSTR 1 is extended up to the 26th 2021. So it's extended up to the May 26th for the April month, and IFF, that is the invoice furnishing facility, is available to the small taxpayer for the April month up to the 29th May. And thus, this notification may be generated that the GSTR 2B for April 21 is going to be generated on the 29th May instead after as regular. So friends, now what are the complications because of this? So you may aware that the for the large taxpayer there is no extension of the GSTR 3B, and GSTR 3B is required to be filed on the due date. That means on the 20th April. For the April month on the 20th May. But the 2B is now going to be available on the 29th May for the month of April. Now, one of the relief available for the taxpayer is for the first 15 days, large taxpayer can pay or file the GSTR 3B and pay the GST liability delayedly with the minimum interest of 9%. So reduced rate of the interest of 9% is available for 15 days instead of 18%. But if taxpayer has to avoid that interest, it is required to file the GSTR 3B on the due date, that is on 20th May. Now, friends, one again relief available is related to the is related to Rule 36(4). So under Rule 36(4) is now consolidated, is going to be applicable for the month of April and May month. So for the purpose of April month, credit as per the books can be taken instead of referring GSTR 2B. But because of this, if any taxpayer take that view and take the GSTR books credit as per the books, because GSTR 2B is going to be generated after 20th, then please note that the reconciliation is the key in such a scenario, and every taxpayer is required to maintain the reconciliation of whatever the 10-20%, because in the month of the June, that is for the purpose of April and May month, the GSTR, the rule of 36(4), that is the 5% restriction of the invoices, 5% of eligible credit is available for the invoices which has not been uploaded on the GSTR portal or GSTN portal. So that restriction has to be checked, consolidated for the April and May month in the month of the June, when you are going to file the return of the May month. So reconciliation again becomes a critical in such a scenario. But it is recommended, if you are availing the books as per the books for the month of April, the credit as per the books for the month of April, then please do the reconciliation. So this is second update with respect to online portal. Third update with respect to online portal is is for GSTR1. Again, this is very important update for the GSTR1 as far as GSTR1 concerned. So friends, for the GSTR1, again serial number 12, in the table in column 6, the word total value has replaced by the word rate of tax. So HSN summary or HSN or SAX furnished in the HSN summary has required to be given on the basis of rate of tax. So this column has changed, and this reporting is going to be changed from the May 2021. So for more update, the notification 79/2021 can be referred. This notification is related to